Okay, so I'm just out for a little trail hike today and taking a look around for tracks, impressions left by animals, and I thought I'd just do a quick video and show the tracking kit that I've made and that I carry with me when I go out. So over here is I have a elk hide bag that I crafted that carries everything, and then going clockwise around this, I have two mirrors, and these are used for mirroring, side lighting. So your best time to look for animal impressions is early in the morning and late in the afternoon when the sun's at an oblique. You get more shadow. By midday and noon it's getting washed out because the sun's directly overhead, but you can take your hat and you can shadow the impression and then use the mirror to side light it and develop it to where it's more visible, and you can look at it much more better. I also have some dowels that I've put inch and half-inch gradations on, and also a lumber pencil. These are about 20 cents at Home Depot. They're bright orange, show up nicely when you're taking a picture of a track for scale. And then I have a little tape measure. I have some pencils and some flagging tape and some crayons just for writing down information or sketching a print, or if we want to do a practical drill, we can take a sheet of paper and do a rubbing on the shoe and then do 10-step drills or further if we want. Have a paintbrush here that I use to brush out stones and gravel to better define a track, and then I have some man tracking information sheets. These were given to us when I went to man tracking school, wilderness search tracking, and that's really about it. That's the whole kit. But tracking animals, looking at their impressions, a lot of fun, and I would really suggest build your own little kit up and get out there and get looking, because it's a lot of fun and it gets you outdoors. Okay, so we'll talk to you a little later.